everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and I'm so glad that you guys stopped by. Actually for today, recently I've been uploading a lot of videos and I really wanted to explore other kinds of videos. Why not? So I've accumulated a lot of Korean K-beauty products over the past year and I never had the opportunity to actually use them yet. So my K-beauty haul. I have a lot of beauty stuff and I just wanted to share with you the stuff that I have that I may be using in future videos, or I may be blogging about them, like posting reviews, or actually I'm not really sure which is better, blogging or like video reviews like this, because I'm still debating whether I should do writing or actual like video editing and all that. Any thoughts? Put them in the comment section below, and if you're a fan of K-beauty, please give my video a thumbs up and let's get on to the video. There were a lot of stuff that I came across, like I did some makeup for Miss Korea and I got some beauty stuff from that and I haven't used it since, so I wanted to share with you the stuff that I had. It's really nice stuff. This, if you can see it, it's called Phyto Skin, natural formulation Phyto Skin ingredient face skin. Well, when I tried it, it's actually like an emulsion, something like lotion. So yeah, it's still sealed, so I didn't open it yet. Koreans really love like their skincare. Also from the same brand is Phyto Moisture Multi Balm. I think this is more like a everyday balm, you know, extra moisture and all that stuff. Oh, the tint's so pretty. Look. It smells very nature-esque. Actually, sobrang daming stuff. Mahaba-haba ang video na to. Okay, I have the brown Smoky palette. They have 4 shades, which is cinnamon, bitter chocolate, goldie honey, and bebop jazz. I'll post a review on this soon. I have Sebum out. You know those mineral powders that are kind of like this one? Innisfree. I love the Innisfree powder, so I tried a different brand. This is W.Lab. It's a really known Korean brand, but I haven't opened it yet, so I have to open it. There's Twinkle Glam Eyes from W.Lab. I actually got this from Althea, the W.Lab box. Like there's a box, so I can't open it, but shimmer pot. Oh, I forgot I had this. One-day coating tint in orange. It's called Fashionable. Quick story, I never really liked the color orange, like on lipstick, on makeup, on anything, but recently I did a makeup tutorial where everything was orange and I just fell in love with it. I was planning on selling this, but I might actually keep it. It's super orange. I have Panda's Dream Contour Stick by Moly. It's so cute. Moly is known for the really cute packaging. One of the sponsors of the event then was Moly, so how does that Panda look? It's so cute. You open it, it's a pencil. It's cute to bring in your makeup kit. Moly Shocking Tip Perfect Lips. So don't be surprised if there's a lot of Moly stuff. It's a sponsor, so this is in hot pink. I haven't used this yet, but it's really like pink. It stays a long time. Some of the candidates used it and it was like, it really stayed a long time, so don't suggest using that unless you're going to be using it the whole day. Aery Petit Tint. This is like a reddish color. The red that Koreans really like using. They like using like pink and reds because it's a very natural color, very pretty. Have to get used to staring at the camera. Moly Auto Eyebrow in black. This one is a real auto eye pencil in, let's say, gray. This is in gray. Needs stuff for eyebrows. It's very important, eyebrows, because I have none. Eyebrow mascara, caramel brown. Maybe you've seen these brands with other beauty vloggers. Yepponunnie was also one of the sponsors, so that's why there are a lot of this. This one is eyebrow mascara in caramel brown. I love eyebrow mascara. They really soften like the eyebrows and they look really nice. Like your brows don't look too strong, which is my personal preference. I don't really like super strong brows. If I do, I kind of look weird. Some of these are mixed up because these are from 3 brands. So Moly, Yepponunnie, and K-Mall. K-Mall, I got it from the Korean Expo. They were so nice. They gave some really nice stuff. So thank you. This is from Moly. This is the Circle Lens Mascara, the light in black. So you can never go wrong with mascara. Mascara always disappears really quickly and you have to use it within a year. This one is from K-Mall, I think. This is Aery Colorful Stick Shadow. So it's always nice to have like some stick shadow, some shimmer. This is for if you're lazy. This one is from W.Lab also. Matte Black Clear Finish Gel Liner. The W.Lab is very expensive in Korea, but they have really good quality. Here's a brush. This is so cool. There's a brush, and then there's a sharpener. One is the actual pencil, and it twists. Hey, so this is really cool. Partly the reason why you should always go for boxes on Althea. I have this thing with face masks. I really like face masks because I have skin as dry as the desert. So this is super like sulit for me. I got the Nabi Party Lift Up and Nabi Party Tone Up. Really cool because when you wear it, I wore it once. It's like a mask, so it's like I'm going to a masquerade ball or something. I'm definitely gonna post a review on these. Dr. Frog. I read that Dr. Frog is really good. I wanted to try it to see if it works. Of course, I got moisturizing, but they have a lot of different kinds. They gave me free stuff. What I love about these, is that you can put them in your makeup kit and it isn't bulky in your bag. There's still one more bag. This is the PVE Bubble Bebe, a mineral water bubble soap. So actually my friend just gave this to me. It smells really good. It smells so herbal-y. Charmette. I got this at the Korean Expo. An all-in-one moisturizer for all types, toning, moisturizing, and whitening. The pH balance is really like 4.5 to 5.5, so it's really low. And then what I also got from the same brand is Sindel Tox White Cream. I lost the cap already, but this one is an intensive whitening care. It has glutathione. I like using glutathione for my face because my face is a shade darker than my actual body. I walk around outside, even if I put sunblock, my face just gets darker. So actually, I know I should have categorized this. Well, I had no time. I just put everything together and I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, this is from Moly again. Sedation BB cream. It's really light though. It's in beige. My face is acidic, so if I do use this, it's just gonna go a shade darker anyway. I have yet to try it myself. This is from K-Mall Philippines, so this is Very Lip Tint Stick. This is super cool. I tried this, and what happens, this is in sweet pink, so what happens is, it looks like it's orange, but when you put it on your skin, it changes the pink. It's like one of those magic lipsticks. It's also from K-Mall Philippines. Pink Song. So this is so cute. I haven't tried this yet. I am going to try it because I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos. Maybe I'll do a makeup tutorial that's all Korean products because I have a lot. Look at how pretty the pink is. It's so pretty. It's from K-Mall Philippines also. They were so nice. So these are their masks. Actually, I've heard a lot of great stuff about this. I saw this in Althea and I wanted to get them, but I realized that I actually have some. These are like intensive face masks that are really good for you. Just everything I need. From Mijin Cosmetics. So these are different masks. There are 5 masks, but me and my friend decided to split the kinds that we have. So I have coenzyme masks, so pearl brightening essence masks. So yeah, Core Beauty. I have Mulbit Aqua Mask Pack. I also have this from them as well. It's a BB cushion. I'm actually using it right now. It looks okay now, but when I first put it on, it's like really light and my skin looks super gray, but then it kind of calms down and it goes well with your skin. It has SPF 50, so that's great, right? And then you can use this to moisturize your skin also as well. Dr. Frog again. Dr. Frog, the Yon. Dr. Frog cream. These art angle nail stickers. If you're too lazy to go out and get nail art, this is the next best thing. So I want to try that. Well, that is everything. That is my K-beauty haul, and I hope you enjoyed my haul because I don't really do hauls because I don't really buy so much stuff, right? But these stuff were given to me. Thank you so much to Yepponunnie and Moly, and well, it's from Petit Philippines, so they hired me for it, so thank you Petit. K-Mall Philippines for giving out a lot of great stuff, and also a lot of the Korean brands that were at the Korean Expo. Thank you, because now I have a lot of stuff to review and use, and so you guys can check them out as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you love Korean products, give it a thumbs up as well. Please do subscribe. Just click the subscription button down below. Also, click the bell, the little bell next to it, so that you can get notifications on my videos, because I will be uploading a lot more frequently now. Apart from beauty, I'll also be doing vlogs and maybe some art videos. I will definitely be more active and as active as I was before. So, see you guys later. Bye-bye. Bye. So much stuff. So much stuff.